What's the meaning of bomb scare? Bomb scare. Bomb scare.
Bomb scare. Bomb scare. Bomb scare often refers to a situation where there is a perceived threat of an explosive device being present in a particular location. This can cause public panic and the evacuation of buildings or areas. The result of a bomb scare can be disruptive to daily life, causing traffic jams, delays, and closures to public transportation. It can also lead to significant economic costs for businesses that have to close down during the incident. In many cases, bomb scares turn out to be false alarms, but they must always be taken seriously as they have the potential to turn deadly.